Release the knob by turning anti-clockwise direction. Lift the back of the seat upwards to remove it. Plug the charger to the wall socket first. The LED on the charger will flash green first. Wait for it to change red. The charging port is on the battery itself. Align the charging port and push in. The blue knob will have a clicking sound to show that it's securely connected. Once it's plugged in, the charger will show its battery level and the fan will start cooling the charger. Once the battery is full, to unplug, twist the blue knob and pull out the plug. To remove the battery, press on the latch of the big connector and pull. Lift up the securing latch. Lift up the handle and the battery will come out. You can also charge the battery when the battery is taken out of the bike.